Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of compact convenience with the best mini rice cookers on the market. Whether you're a solo diner, a college student, or a small household, these space-saving gems promise delicious rice every time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more handy kitchen insights. Number 1. Dash Mini Rice Cooker Steamer, your kitchen's new MVP. This pint-sized powerhouse combines convenience with versatility, boasting a removable non-stick pot that makes cleanup a breeze. Its keep warm function ensures your meals stay piping hot until you're ready to indulge. From hearty soups to fluffy grains and creamy oatmeal, this 5-quart wonder does it all, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Plus, with the included recipe guide, culinary inspiration is always at your fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, the Dash Mini Rice Cooker Steamer in Aqua effortlessly elevates your cooking game, making every meal a masterpiece. Say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to culinary bliss with Dash. Number 2. GreenLife Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick 4-Cup Rice Oats and Grains Cooker in Pink. As a health-conscious consumer, I've been on the lookout for kitchen appliances that prioritize safety and convenience without compromising on performance. This cooker ticks all the boxes with its PFAS-free construction, ensuring that my meals are free from harmful chemicals. Its non-stick ceramic coating not only makes cooking and cleaning a breeze, but also promotes healthier cooking by requiring less oil. With a 4-cup capacity, it's perfect for cooking grains, oats, and rice for the whole family. And the best part? Its dishwasher-safe parts save me time on cleanup, allowing me to focus on enjoying delicious, nutritious meals hassle-free. Say hello to effortless, healthy cooking with the GreenLife Ceramic Non-Stick Cooker. Number 3. CHACEEF Mini Rice Cooker 2 Cups Uncooked 1.2L Portable Non-Stick, Smart Control Multifunction Small Travel Cooker with 24 hours timer delay and keep warm function, food steamer in a vibrant green hue. This compact powerhouse revolutionizes meal prep, offering unparalleled convenience whether you're at home or on the go. With its intuitive smart control and multifunctionality, it's not just a rice cooker, it's a versatile culinary companion. The 24-hour timer delay ensures your meals are ready precisely when you need them, while the keep warm function maintains optimal serving temperature. Its non-stick surface simplifies cleaning, and the portable design makes it ideal for travel. Experience the joy of effortless cooking and tantalizing meals with the CHACEEF Mini Rice Cooker. Number 4. Bear Mini Rice Cooker, your ultimate companion for delicious, hassle-free rice cooking. With a compact design and a 1.2L capacity, it's perfect for small households or on-the-go meals. Its non-stick interior ensures easy cleaning, while the BPA-free materials guarantee your safety. The one-button operation simplifies cooking, effortlessly switching between cooking and keep warm functions. Whether you're a busy professional, a student in a dorm, or a traveler exploring new horizons, this navy blue wonder promises to elevate your culinary experience. Say goodbye to overcooked or underdone rice. Get ready for perfectly fluffy grains every time. Invest in the Bear Mini Rice Cooker and savor the convenience and quality it brings to your kitchen. Number 5. Tayama's 1.5-cup portable mini rice cooker in white is a compact kitchen essential that packs a punch. Perfect for singles, couples, or small families, this sleek cooker delivers fluffy rice with ease. Its petite size makes it ideal for dorms, RVs, or cramped kitchens without sacrificing performance. With its one-touch operation, cooking rice has never been simpler. The non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleaning, while the included spatula and measuring cup add convenience to your cooking routine. Whether you're whipping up a quick lunch or preparing a cozy dinner, the Tayama Mini Rice Cooker streamlines the process, saving you time and effort while producing delicious results every time. In conclusion, the best mini rice cooker is a compact and efficient solution for anyone seeking convenience without sacrificing quality. Whether you're a busy student, a solo traveler, or simply looking to save space in your kitchen, investing in a mini rice cooker can greatly simplify your meal prep routine. With its versatility and practicality, this kitchen essential proves to be a valuable addition to any household. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share this video with others who might find it helpful.